So this is what pregnant feels like. Trying to still upload this video or render it, and it's still not going through. So I'm just anxiously waiting, and my computer is making so much noise I can't sleep. So I'm watching YouTube videos. And it's 1:30 in the morning, and now I'm hungry. So I know it says sharing size, but I think this one's gonna be all mine. Oh my goodness. Oh well. Guess I have an excuse now. Hey Peanut. Thank you for being my excuse. Now it's peanuts in it. Awesome.
70s cold, like sweatshirts.
Oh really?
Yeah. You know what's crazy? I thought we had an Airbnb this weekend.
We do.
What?
We do, but it's not on Airbnb. They booked privately.
Wait, we do?
Yeah, tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
You know this.
Oh my. No, I didn't know this. I just looked at the Airbnb calendar and I was like,
No,
oh,
I
we're
know,
good.
but
This weekend's blocked.
I've said it this entire time that you have guests and it's the proposal couple and they arrive tomorrow. They're gonna be at the dock at 3. Remember? I'm gonna send you his information.
Dude, I've been so out. You don't know how much I've been working.
But I know, but that's all we talked about is how to pick them up.
Okay.
Well, my video uploaded. Oh my goodness, I was awake until like 4 a.m. this morning, just trying to get that stuff done, and it just wouldn't. Anyway, anyone else who's like making content and working with Adobe and know that sometimes it just locks. It just doesn't want to go. And well, now it's up. The new video is up, so go and check it out. Like, subscribe, share the video. That would be a huge help. And click the bell so you get notifications every time we post some new content. Anyway, I am gonna go and make some burgers from, actually, venison burgers, because yeah, I'm in Norway and I live on a farm, and that's how it goes. Awesome!